show where we have something special for you. Now with our guest star, Katie Morns. Oh, thank you for having me over for the morning show. And stay tuned for more on the morning show. I can't believe I overslept and missed the morning show. How ridiculous of me. Say, Kaleb, you seem to be so tired. What's the problem? Oh, I stayed up late and partied with my friends till 1 a.m. And that's the reason I'm so tired. Oh, that's fine with me. That's what happens if you don't get enough sleep, buddy. That afternoon. Kaleb, I got the most exciting news I want to tell ya. Me and my family were at the museum, and I saw a rotational television device, and it was by Sony. And it was cool because it was rotational, just like I am when I'm testing, and it's also very cool. I wish I had that in my house. Oh, all that talking is making me very tired. But Kaleb! Kaleb, wake up! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Maybe this should do the trick. Ah! What in the world is going on in here? Sorry to startle you, Kaleb, but I was just wondering why you fell asleep on the ground. Wait, was I really sleeping on the ground? If so, thanks for waking me up. No probs, Kaleb. Besides, I hope you have a fun day. See ya. Oh, I really am so tired. I better go home and take a nap.